It's not funny as fuck. Okay, guys, so we're like basically skipping. Kinda, we're in PE, but they're outside and we have a sub and we're not trying to be outside. Or we could just go to a snack bar. Guys, should we?
But they're gonna notice our shirts.
Girl, everyone on this damn campus is wearing it. Almost.
Exactly.
Should we?
Okay, let's go.
You
Let's
wanna
go
go?
show them around the freaking. I think you need, but
Let me see.
look at that big ass mirror. Yo, hold on, let me zoom in. I'm scared.
I'm scared, guys.
Dude, what if there's like a text?
And then there's just us. Making my way downtown. No, just me? Okay. Cause the hell? I need the bathroom. Nope. I need that bathroom. Guys, we're just gonna basically chill here. But yeah. Yeah, she got food, guys. Just mukbang, imagine.
You look, you should have been there for the thing last game. Hopefully they'll leave this and I'll see you. I can't really leave my friend. There's some fat ass kids.
Usually when I went there for the attendance or whatever, I told them, who is that? What the
Guys, it's all down.
I know, guys, look what we found. Wait, I don't think they... A dirty ass airplane. And this girl's fucking up that food, period. Where's the food from?
Chick-fil-A. Wait, no, it's not.
Something, really something, I don't know. Chick-fil-A. Okay, guys, she got her fucking shit from Chick-fil-A. Look it, they serve this at Chick-fil-A now. Go get it. Go get it now. And yeah, but guys, that's what we're eating today. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. No, when I find you in the house, I'll be like, Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Guys, she's cracking up so bad.
Let's go. See what's in there.
Which one's yours? Isn't it this one?
Oh, yeah.
This one. That's a bad angle.
I kind of don't remember that. Hold on. Hold this.
Guys, she didn't get her club. Am I marking or what? No, I'm just playing. Show them what you were doing. I was trying to mark the camera, you guys, and stuff like that. I'm right here, right? Right here. I look at her, she's fucking, she has a fork and she's eating food. You thought you were mysterious, huh?